Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your phone number clickable in WordPress. First, go to edit page. Now scroll down. And then here, click on plus icon. Search for button. And then select the button. Now on the right side, click on the color style. You can choose the text color and then background color. So now add text. Now click on the call now and then click on the add link, and here type tail : now enter your phone number and then click on enter. Now click on save. Now let's preview the page. Now click on the call now button and there you go. So that's how you can make phone number clickable in WordPress. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.